What's up, guys? So today we're going to be working on the exhaust for the 240. So I do have the car with the headers on right here, or at least the driver's side has the header cut off right where the steering column is. I believe that's what it's called, because it kept hitting it, and when we tried to smash it in, it was getting a little bit too small where we don't think that it's going to have good airflow. So we cut it off and we're going to try to make a new piece for that. And then for the passenger side, it was good. It's just down there, so we have to connect it from the passenger side all the way to the driver's side. I did go to AutoZone and I picked up one of those flexible tubings, so maybe we can see if we can just kind of make something easy and not too difficult. But we do have some extra exhaust pieces up here from the XB and also the 350Z, so we have a lot of extra material to work with. I'm gonna see if I can use the exhaust that was originally on this car with the KA. It's a MagnaFlow exhaust and I liked it the first time, so I know it's a different engine, but I'm hoping that it'll also sound good with this. So that's kind of the plan for now. We're just gonna start with the headers.
Alright guys, so check how perfect this fitment is. So it clears the steering shaft, as well as this O2 sensor. It fit perfectly right there. Like, it's tucked up nicely, and I still have this to go up there to this plug right here. This couldn't have fit any more perfect, guys. This was eyeballed. So don't mind the ugly welds, but it's strong. I just have to make this piece that comes down here, but that's pretty easy. I have a piece already that I'm working on. Let me show you guys. This is the piece that I'm using. I have a whole bunch of old exhaust parts, so I'm gonna take this bend. As you can see, I already started chopping it at an angle because I need a little bit more cock to the driver's side of the car. So I'm gonna cut it at an angle, and hopefully that's enough. If not, I'll adjust from there. But yeah, this is gonna be my like down portion of that header right here.
I finished the down pipe section of this, but this is where I'm going to be adding on the Y section. So if you guys can see, I don't have a hole saw, but I have my circle marked out where I'm going to be adding on the extra piece. I have this reducer that I kind of cut to weld on just like this. And I'm going to weld this on right here, and then I have another piece that's going to be put into here. I'm not too sure if I'm going to weld these together, like this part to the other part, or if I'm gonna just leave it as like a clamp so it's easy to take off and on in case we do need to drop the trans or something like that. So let me go ahead and cut this out and weld this on here, and then we should be good. So this is pretty much how I did the Y pipe. So I have this like flexible pipe here going into that little bung piece that I made. I might just clamp that down, and then that way it's easy for me to take this off and on. It's pretty sturdy in there. I had to shove it in there. It's all the way in, so I don't have any real worries about it coming out. I made that custom Y piece right here. Again, I'm not a welder, so don't go too ham on the comments about my welding or what I'm doing wrong. You know, I'm just doing whatever makes it work. So yeah, so this is pretty much done. That pipe goes up a little bit more. It hangs just about as low as the frame rails do, maybe about an inch lower, so it's not bad the clearance wise.
The exhaust is now complete and everything is bolted up all the way to the back of the car. So we're gonna wait till tomorrow to try and start it up though, because it's super late. It's about 2 o'clock in the morning and we don't wanna make any noise right now. So we're gonna wait until the morning and then we can see how it sounds.
Start up the car now so we can hear what it sounds like with the exhaust, finally.
Ready?
Go for it.
That sounds crazy. Oh, that makes me scared.
First gear. Moving.
Wow. Oh my God. Is that a milestone?
So cool.
Works. Did it.
Did it. Good job.
Aren't you excited to do yours now?